Inside New York's most expensive $662 million home. How can individuals afford such costly homes in New York City? Well, to afford to live in a suitable property in NYC, you either have to be incredibly affluent or poor. This is how screwed up the income disparity gap is in NYC. Kidding aside, let's have a peek at these properties that are genuinely incredibly pricey. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, like, comment on our channel Luxury Master. Let's look at it now. Number 5. Le Penthouse, $98 million. The 172nd floor of the Penthouse. It's true that Madison Avenue is the most affordable house on this list. If I start here, the sky's the limit, but it's far from the least attractive house in this video. It has a luxurious, ultra-large kitchen equipped with stainless steel Meili appliances and a mosaic finishing that changes appearance depending on whether the house is being used day or night. It's similar to the light system in any of the 14 bathrooms, which can be said to alter depending on your mood, in conjunction with the sound system and jacuzzis in these bathrooms. Showering in the penthouse must be a very calming experience. There are several high-tech features and security systems throughout the property, and as you can see in this photo, even John Cena cannot get entry. The mansion also has top-tier self-cooling cellar and a garage, among other things. It's not only the bathrooms, says the owner. In addition to a full-length swimming pool and a standard gym, the home's grayscale color scheme and large windows that let in natural light and give the impression of being in spacious environment are my favorite aspects of the property. It doesn't hurt that you can take in views of the Chrysler Building, the Empire State Building, and other landmarks as well. Each floor of the 5-story building takes approximately 3,500 square feet of space, with an additional 4,500 square feet in the form of outdoor terraces attached to each floor. If you think that $98 million are too much for this property, consider that you'll receive a free gym membership for life as part of the property's purchase price. Number 4. The Pinnacle, $110 million. This magnificent residence, like Le Penthouse, is also a penthouse. And it's no wonder that the affluent like to go to the top when they reach the top. Given that many billionaires begin their careers in their mother's basement, among the many features of the Pinnacle are a 360-degree, 400-square-foot open-air observatory room for viewing the city from 700 feet above, an all-white marble countertop center island kitchen, and an all-white bathroom have views of the city. An adequately equipped gym and swimming pool in its basement is also the roof of the rest of the building, and a private elevator that takes you directly to your penthouse from the rest of the building. Number 3. Unit 79, 432 Park Avenue, $135 million. The wabi-sabi aesthetic and delicate, luxurious features of this house make it a personal favorite of mine. Perhaps it's because, like Kanye West, I'm a fan of Japanese culture, mainly through anime. Because of his close relationship with Japanese pop culture artist Takashi Murakami, Kanye's album covers and minimalist house are styled to that taste. You'll have a godlike perspective of the city of Manhattan from every room, as there are full windows with adjustable cedar shutters that help adjust the lighting. The bathrooms are fitted with stylish vanities, floating mirrors, and freestanding tubs right by the large windows, giving you views of the Hudson River, Empire State Building, downtown Manhattan, and more. The living areas are also furnished with simple art pieces and more. Number 2. Residence 127, 128, $150 million. You can see the Central Park Tower across the street at approximately 1,300 feet in the sky. Residence 127-128 is the tallest duplex in the building. Living in this duplex means you have access to a concierge and a doorman, which is quite convenient. The Central Park Club, located in the Central Park Tower, offers a variety of luxurious amenities, some of which include indoor and outdoor pools, a spa, a private theater, Michelin-starred chefs, and personal shoppers are all available. Inside features include 14-foot ceilings, floor-to-ceiling windows for stunning vistas of New York, a 50-foot grand salon, a powder room, and a modern kitchen outfitted with modern equipment. The exterior features include 14-foot ceilings, in addition to the 7 other bedrooms and 8 other bathrooms. The main bedroom directly views the Central Park and is furnished with 2 large dressing rooms and ensuite baths. The additional bedrooms and bathrooms are located on the 2nd and 3rd floors. Number 1. 432 Park Avenue Penthouse, $169 million. So we're back from across Central Park Tower, but this time we're moving up from Unit 79, where we left off before, to the very top of our list, the Penthouse. This property is one of a kind and was listed on the market earlier this year by Ryan Serhant for $169 million. Here's what Serhant had to say about the property in his entire career of selling luxury real estate. There has never been anything quite like it. But 432 Park Avenue Penthouse outclasses Unit 79 in terms of size and excessive luxury, with items such as Fendi throw cushions and a freestanding tub among its many amenities. Bentley Smart sofas are a type of couch that is designed to be smart. The key attractions are the primary dwelling, the huge baths, and of course, the views. The main interests include Louis Vuitton artworks, Hermes blankets, and more. It has a spacious king-sized bed, broad windows that expose both Manhattan and the Hudson River in all its grandeur, and resting spots on the windows so that you can relax and soak in the sights while taking lots of photos for your Instagram account. Which of these homes, in your opinion, best reflects your style? If you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section below, and if you like this video, please subscribe to the Luxury Master channel for more videos about luxury. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.